I'm pretty sure I did show this G-Shock watch to all of you guys in few of my previous unboxing or review video before, but this is it. This will be the official review video for this Bluetooth equipped G-Shock watch. Well, straight away you guys could already see this is in a used condition. Look at that. Just horrible. Look at this at the back. My god, this is something, man. And that is why I bought this watch, just to show to you guys how badly you can beat your G-Shock and still relying it to work. Look at that, still working fine. Pretty cool. Except for this case, the battery is really low. So I'm gonna need to swap the battery after this and then make the module demonstration video. But for now, I'm just gonna quickly run through on all the things that you could get out of this G-Shock watch. But before I get to that, let's just go back in time to the year 2012, which is the first ever this G-Shock was introduced. So this is G-Shock Perfect Bible from G-Shock 30th anniversary. That is indeed the year where this G-Shock watch was released. Anyway, so in the year 2012, Casio G-Shock released 3 variations, one in black, one in red, and one in white colorway. In this case, this is the white and gray version. The red and black version looks the best in my opinion, but in the case for this video, you are looking at the GB-6900-7JF, the first 6900 series Bluetooth G-Shock watch, and I believe the first ever Bluetooth series G-Shock watch on the market. Before the year 2012 or before G-Shock released this, there are no more Bluetooth G-Shock watch at all. So this G-Shock watch really did have history behind it if you really care about this. Anyway, it was released somewhere on March at a retail price of 18,000 Japanese yen only. This is not a smartwatch, this is just a G-Shock watch which could pair to your phone and do some notifications, caller, message, email, which no Bluetooth G-Shock watch that was released today could even do. It is featured the standard 6900 profile, except the watch face, the engine is entirely different thing. The size of the bezel will be similar to the GLX or the G-Glide 6900 series. So you could swap the band and bezel from those model into this, or from any GW6900 as well. So even though, as you can see, the watch band and bezel look horrible, really disgusting by it, but you could just take this one out, add another 6900 bezel, and it will look brand new again, except for the mirror glass, but you could replace that as well. So what makes this series special is the engine, what it could do. So let me quickly run through what you could do with this G-Shock watch. Okay, first and foremost, as always, this is a G-Shock, so you're gonna expect a shock absorbing structure. The mirror glass at the front, again, just mineral, not sapphire at all, so you're gonna have a lot of scratch in front there, but also since it is mineral, you could polish it back with the proper tool. It's not gonna be as easy, but it is still very much possible. Next is 20 bar water resistant, also really tough Bluetooth equipped watch on the market. The bezel and the watch band is fully resin, as you guys can see, but that's fine. I mean, it's still looking great. You could still wear this if you wanted to. The fact is just the colorway, since this is in white, so that's why you end up looking like this if you beat the hell out of your G-Shock watch. Next function that this watch have is a vibration. I almost forgot about this G-Shock watch in particular. This is one of the watch that could vibrate when you receive a notification. For example, someone calls you to your smartphone, and when your smartphone beep, you could use this watch to silence it, and also it will alert you as well by using the digital display over there to display the caller name. It's very incredible actually. Next function that you're gonna have in here is the world time, all the way to 100 cities. I mean, obviously you could do that since you could pair this to your smartphone, but the time zone is limited to only 35 units depending on the app, the G-Shock Plus app. Next is you're gonna have a look at alarm, which is pretty cool since you have those alarm clock logo on the side, which no G-Shock have, so that's really incredible in my opinion. You're gonna have a look at 5 alarm including snooze and signal. You could set all this using your smartphone as well. Next will be a stopwatch, 1/100 second precision, ranging all the way to 24-hour with split time. Next is a countdown timer, ranging all the way to 24 hours as well. You could set this to increment of 1 minute. And next is the setup function. As you can see, this is where you could erase your pairing to your phone or just check to which device that this watch is currently paired to, called the mobile link function. You could pair this to iPhone or Android devices depending on the iOS. For Android devices, I'm not sure which operating system could fit the best, but for iOS pretty much everything is just good enough already. And next is they have a tap operation as well on the screen. I'm not sure how that works. Basically, when the watch beginning to vibrate or beginning to alert you with something, you could just tap the screen and then it will silent back. So very incredible. This screen is not touch screen at all, but you could tap it. It's more like a haptic type of thing. Very incredible for the age, for the price. It's crazy, man. Next function is full auto calendar, as always, ranging all the way from year 2000 to year 2099, and also 12 to 24 hour time swap or time format swap if you want. Those you could do that as well. And LED light super illuminator in white colorway. That is incredible. 6900 model usually will only came with EL, which gonna glows in green, but some people like those. But anyway, regardless, this operates on LED light, 2 LED basically, really bright. But in my case right now, the battery is really low, so when I press the light button, you're gonna see some flash, but it's not gonna glow as bright. And next is the accuracy. Since this guy has no solar function and also no wave scepter at all, the accuracy will be limited to plus minus 15 seconds every single month. But keep in mind, the battery could still last you for about 2 years, considering that all the function that this watch have. That's really cool. Now when you go back to home time, you could display day of the week, date, and also time display, which is pretty much compressed because they have a lot of things going on here, and currently the battery is low, so you'll be able to see the battery indicator over there saying or telling me to swap the battery right away. Alright, that's done on the function of this model. Let's have a look on the construction now, which is similar, you guys could already tell. But if you're new, anyway, it operates on 5 button operations, only 2 on both sides. The construction is very symmetrical, like so. Glossy finish, including the screws. The front light button has a G, basically a bit of dash going on at the front, making it look more futuristic, since, yeah, I can understand why they do that. Very nicely touch, making really different from the usual G-Shock watch on the market. The watch face came in really metallic gray in this case, very gorgeous in my opinion. The watch face design, all the graphics, just perfect. So incredible. They actually managed to jam in a lot of things in a tight space in there, and yet making it still usable for a watch that is not touch screen. Keep in mind, 5 button operation is usual as this G-Shock. This guy also have 5 button operation. This guy also have 5 button operation plus 1 crown, but this guy couldn't do what this guy could. Just incredible, man. And the size just not as big anyway. Moving on to the watch bezel, the G-Shock writings came in blue and the rest came in black. Moving down to the watch band, in this case it came in glossy finish white colorway, but the paint's already scraped out. Look at that, I could take this one out. I'm going to try to refurbish this, probably scrape out all of the paint on the watch band and bezel entirely, and then try to clean it up and probably apply another paint or just swap the watch band and bezel entirely. I don't even have the watch band keeper over here. If I'm not mistaken, it comes with special metal band keeper with G sign, similar logo as the one on the like button, so pretty cool. And this is the watch buckle by Casio Japan, sign below, pretty incredible, show the sign of high quality. And moving on to the back plate, we're gonna have a look at 3210 module, which I'm gonna talk even detail on a separate video. Model GB-6900 stainless steel back Japan, wide, water resistant to also 20 bar, and a lot of code down there for verification, since this is a Bluetooth models. So looking from the back plate, from the buckle, I could tell that this is fully made in Japan. G-Shock watch, no wonder they are able to achieve this capability. Yet the price is 18,000 Japanese yen. It's still insane. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe I forgot about this, man. Very, very nice. If you have the chance, I really recommend you guys to look for one of this. Most of them will be just in use or old stock, because there are no more of this laying in store. If you're lucky, then you might be able to find this. But overall, really good G-Shock watch if you could pair this with your phone. So I heard a lot of issues before, like some people couldn't pair the watch to their devices. Depending on your device, is gonna have a little bit of issues. Go check the details on Casio Japan website. If I'm not mistaken, they had made a special site just to explain about all the compatible devices that could pair with this G-Shock watch. So check those first before you decide to get one of this. And one more issue that I find is that for some reason, since Casio didn't promote this anymore, they didn't update the app as well, so making it really annoying for some people. It's like they forgot about this entirely. So don't put high hope onto here, but so far without any update at all, the watch on its own is already great enough, plus the app much better. Anyway, this is how the watch gonna fit on my wrist, which is pretty common. It fits like any one of those 6900 on the market, so no surprise at all. Really simple looking, except could do much more. Alright, if you really found this video useful, informative, and entertaining, I would really highly appreciate it if you could check my Patreon page. Link will be down in the description box below. It's gonna be very helpful to me if you would donate to the growth of this channel. I could buy more G-Shock watch brand new and use like this, and make more and more unboxing and video talking about this really underrated, still awesome timepiece. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe as well to see more contents like this coming up in the future. Thank you very much for watching. This is G-Shock High Fashion Channel, and